Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today I will be installing a light bar on the bumper on my truck. So I got this light bar from eBay. It's a 30-inch I think. I think I paid like 35 bucks. And but the only bad thing is that I just got the light bar with this cable and the little mounting clips or brackets, wherever they are. So I had to go to Walmart and buy this wiring harness with the little switch right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna work, but yeah, I picked this up. Oh shit! I picked this up at Walmart. Here's the box from the Auto Drive brand for like $9. So somehow I'm gonna make it work. All right, I'm gonna start working. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bumper cover. Alright guys, so this light bar is not quite long enough to cover my whole area right here. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy like 2 little separate ones, or actually 4, so I can replace the fog lights too. Alright guys, so somehow I'm gonna have to fish either this cable, no, the other end, through the firewall to connect it to my switch. I still don't know how I'm gonna do that. I will figure it out here in a bit. Alright guys, I'm trying to hurry up here, it's getting dark. So I'm gonna go through the cables right here with you guys really quick. So we got this one that is coming from the lightbar to this connection here. And then this one will, these two will go on the battery. But I just want to show you where I fished the one going to the switch. So my truck has, I don't know if you guys can see it. Like a little thing that a cable or something goes in there already. You guys can probably see it right there where it says the red cable. And it comes out right there. So and I'm just running it around under the carpet right there. And my switch, I guess I'm gonna set it like under my tablet right there or something. But I'm gonna keep on working on this. Alright guys, sorry, but it's getting dark here. I'm trying to hurry up. Alright guys, so I zip tighten my cables right here on the side. I try organizing it a little bit, probably need to do a better job, but I have everything ready. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna set you guys down and I'm gonna go turn on the switch. Woo. Damn guys, this is amazing. It's super bright. The only thing I'm not liking is this space, the empty space in the corners, but like I said, I think I can probably get like 2 single ones to put one on each side. It may be for the fog lights, but my plans are to replace this bumper and put an off-road bumper on it. I just haven't had the money for it, but man, that's super bright. It's crazy. I like it. So I still haven't put the switch in the dash. It's getting dark on me, so I'm not gonna do that right now. So here right now it's off, on, off, on. That's amazing. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I know it's kind of boring. These are my first videos that I'm posting on YouTube, so I still have a lot to learn, but Whatever, I'm trying my best. Thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, one more thing. I turned my truck around, facing it to the house, and it got a little bit more dark, so I just wanted to show you the big difference. So these are my ugly yellow lights from my headlights, and I'm gonna turn the switch on really quick. Whoa, that's crazy. That's amazing, guys. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I already ordered a grill for my truck and headlights. So I'm gonna be replacing the headlights and tail lights, and I'm gonna be doing a few more things to it and making some videos. Hopefully you guys like it. Like I said, I'm not good at it, but I hope to get better. Thank you.